The Chefman Fry Guide Deep Fryer delivers surprisingly strong frying performance in a very small footprint, making it ideal for tight kitchens or dorm spaces. Its capacity is well sized for 1 or 2 people, yet the heating element brings oil up to frying temperature quickly and maintains steady heat for crisp, even results. An adjustable temperature dial and clear viewing window give you good control over your food, so you can monitor fries, chicken, or vegetables without constantly lifting the lid. The restaurant-style basket feels sturdy and is easy to maneuver, which helps when lowering food into hot oil and draining it afterward. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to the stainless steel exterior that wipes down easily, plus removable parts that can go into the dishwasher, and a detachable magnetic cord that stores neatly. Safety features such as the magnetic breakaway cord, secure lid with built-in filter, and UL certification add peace of mind for frequent home frying.